trademark of Wisconsin Dells. A lot of people say it's this rock that made Wisconsin Dells the tourist attraction that it is today. This rock and this photographer, H.H. Bennett. H.H. Bennett was a famous photographer back in the 1870s and 1880s. He loved the Dells area, and he would take photos of all the rock formations you've been seeing today, but especially Stand Rock, and then sent those photos out all over the country and the world, and that is what initially brought people to this area, to see exactly what you're seeing today. Now, as I said, H.H. Bennett was a famous photographer. He invented stop-action photography, or what is really the shutter in your camera. This is one of his more famous photos. It was taken in 1888, and back then it won photo competitions everywhere because no one had ever seen somebody suspended in air like that before. Now, when H.H. Bennett took this photo, he was standing on the cliff right behind us there, and like any good father, he sent his son up there to do the jumping. That's a picture of his son, Ashley. He was 15 at the time, and it said it took 18 jumps before his dad got that perfect pose. Now we have our perfect dogs that do our jumping for us. Today I think we have Bennett, our blue heeler. Bennett's going to jump over to Stand Rock and back. So if you want to get that H.H. Bennett shot, Bennett right between the rocks, get your cameras ready because this goes very fast, all right? So everybody look up here. Everybody look up here. All right, we're ready when you are. That was not Bennett, our blue heeler. That was Trill, our Catahula. Okay, our pathway continues down here to the right. When you go up that hill I was telling you about, through the concession stand, and on the other side of the concession stand, there'll be